Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Tell Mama Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I love you.
I love you, Dad.
Thank you, sweetie. I love you too.
Let's get birds too.
Yeah. You're a good skier, aren't you?
What have I do? That.
It's the grass and snow.
No.
Yeah. Tell Mama what else you got for Christmas?
Tree.
You got a Christmas tree? Yeah, we got a Christmas tree, don't we?
And you got a skateboard.
I got skateboard.
Who uses a skateboard, Jared?
Favorite.
Jared.
What's your other name?
A goofy.
You're Goofy. What do you call Daddy?
Poke.
Pokey. Who's David?
He's called me.
What's Scott?
It's the Biff.
Biff. Right. How old are you?
Goofy.
How old are you, Jer?
4, 5. 4.
You're 4. You're
I
2.
think you're
And
two.
that's 4.
You're 2. Can you count? 1,
2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you like doing, Jared? Do you like to? Did you get a flashlight so you can shine deer?
We got 1, 2.
Yeah. What kind of deer? Where did you go yesterday? Did you go Kalamazoo?
Uh-huh.
You went to the park. What did you see?
See at the park. See the manger? Tell Mama about the manger.
But he's holding the ranger.
Saw the ranger, huh?
What'd you see at the ranger?
Sheep? Jared, can you look at me and say bye-bye?
Do you like snowmobiling, Jared? Yeah. That's fun, ain't it?
Merry Christmas.
Whoa.